Hello everyone, welcome back you all in our online video classes. Dear students, I am here with class 8th mathematics, chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable, exercise 2.4. Okay, and we have already done first 7 questions of this exercise in our previous one lectures, and today I am going to start with question number 8. So what is question number 8? Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Okay. So we have herd of a deer, okay, in which half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field, half are grazing in the field, 3/4 of the remaining means 3/4 of half are playing nearby, and the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. हमें number of deer find out करना है. Let the number of deer be the number of deer be x. Now according to question half are grazing in the field, so half of x means half of x 1 upon 2x plus 3/4 of half 3/4 of x by 2, so 3/4 of the remaining 3/4 of half means 3/4 of half of x. Okay, so half is here, half of x, total number of deer are x. Okay, so half of x plus 3/4 of the remaining is again half plus 9 which are drinking from the pond, and the total is equal to x. Okay, right? So here it implies that x upon 2, and here will be 3 into 1 into x, 3x upon 4 to the 8 plus 9. Let 1 is in upon of 9 is equal to x. Okay, no need of this 9 x. Now we can bring this x this side, right? So it will be x upon 2 plus 3x upon 8 minus x is equal to minus 9. Now we can take 1 in upon of x. It further implies we will take LCM, it will be 8, and we will get here 4x, because we will divide 8 by 2, we will get 4, and we will multiply that 4 with x, and we will get here 4x plus 8 divided by 8 1, 3x into 1 3x, and minus 8x is equal to minus 9. So 4 plus 3 7x minus 8x will be 7x minus 8x is equal to minus 9 into 8, minus 9 into 8. This 8 will multiply with minus 9. Okay, and 7x minus 8x is minus x is equal to minus 72. Minus will cancel by minus, and finally x is equal to 72. Hence number of deer in the herd are number of deer in the herd are 72. So this is the solution of question number 8. Now next question is question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Very simple question. You will do this question by yourself. And next and last question of this exercise is question number 10. And question number 10 is given. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 3 times his son's age. Okay. 10 years ago, he was 5 times. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. We have to find their present age. Find their present ages. Okay. So let us start the solution. Question is given. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Okay. And 10 years ago, 10 साल पहले, he was 5 times his son's age. 10 साल पहले उसकी जो एज थी वो अपने बेटे की एज की क्या थी? 5 times. Okay. Now we have to find their present age. So let अमन की एज डिपेंड करे उसके बेटे की एज पर. So let Aman's son's age. Let Aman's son's age be X years. Then Aman's age will be 3 times 3x years. Okay. So let Aman's son's age be x years, and then Aman's age will be 3x, because we have given Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. According to question, 10 years ago, age will be 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 times age of his son 10 years ago. It is x minus 10 according to question, means 10 years ago means minus 10 करेंगे. Okay. ये फादर की एज आ गई, ये सन की एज, दोनों में से क्या करेंगे? 10 minus, because 10 years ago. Okay. So here will be age of Aman is 5 times age of his son. This is according to question. Now it will be 3x minus 10. We will multiply this 5 inside bracket, 5x minus 50, and we will shift this 5x this side. We will get 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 50. We will shift this minus 10 to right side. It will be plus 10. 3x minus 5x is minus 2x is equal to minus 40. Minus minus cancel, and we will get here x is equal to 40 upon 2. We will cancel this 40 by 2, and finally we will get the value of x as 20. So x हमारे पास क्या था? Son की age, hence age of Aman's son is 20 years, and age of Aman is 3x. 3 into 20 means 60 years. So it was all about exercise 2.4. If you have any doubt anywhere, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Practice more and more. That's all.